In this tutorial, I will show you how to import projects from DeepLabCut and SLEAP into the LightningPose app. Once you upload your labeled frames, the app handles the rest by converting the data into LightningPose format and creating the necessary configuration files, so you can move straight to training your models. A reminder that the current version of LightningPose can only handle single animal pose estimation. So if you have multiple indistinguishable animals in your videos, you should stick with multi-animal DeepLabCut or SLEAP for now. To begin, I will open up the Project Management tab. Let's start with importing a DeepLabCut project. First, select the Create New Project from Source option. Now, let's give our project a name. I'll call mine Import DLC Project. In the project format list, select DeepLabCut. Before we proceed, let's review the required structure of the DLC project. Inside the top-level folder, you should have two subfolders, Labeled Data and Videos. The Labeled Data folder should contain separate subfolders for each video, which is the DLC default. Inside each subfolder, you should see the frames you have extracted and a CSV and/or H5 file containing your annotations. Back at the top-level folder, the Videos subfolder should contain the original videos from which you extracted frames. These are the videos that LightningPose will use for the unsupervised losses. Note that if you have many large video files, the upload process may be slow. In this case, you can also choose to extract short clips of each video, say 5 minutes each, and upload these instead of the full videos. Make sure your DLC project matches this structure before proceeding. Once you have verified this, select the Labeled Data and Videos folders and create a zip file from these. The name of this file does not matter. Next, either drag and drop your zipped DLC project folder into the designated area, or browse your files to locate the zipped file. After you have uploaded the zipped DLC project, you will need to provide some additional project metadata. Enter the number of camera views for your dataset. Currently, the app supports multiple views as long as they are all concatenated into a single frame. For this example, I have one view, so I will enter 1. You should now see the key points list automatically populated with all your key point names from the DLC project. Select which key points you would like to use for the pose PCA loss. Once you have entered all this information, click Create Project. You will see a message pop up at the bottom notifying you of the successful upload, and then you will see other tabs become accessible. You are now ready to start training LightningPose models. Now, I will restart the app to demonstrate how to import a SLEAP project. As before, select Create New Project from Source. Name your project. I will call this one Import SLEAP Project and press Enter. Choose SLEAP as the project format. Currently, the app supports SLEAP files that end in .pkg.slp. To export this file from the SLEAP app, go to Predict, then Export Labels package, and select the Labeled plus Suggested Frames option. Upload the .pkg.slp file to the app. As with the DLC project, enter the number of views and adjust any other settings as needed. Once you have entered all the metadata, click Create Project. And that's it. Congratulations, you now know how to import both DLC and SLEAP projects into the LightningPose app, allowing you to quickly train models using previously labeled data. If you have any questions or need further guidance, be sure to check out our documentation linked below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.